Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. As you can see, I can operate with either one of the two key fobs. It's got the power doors, the power trunk hatch. It's also got the remote start and keyless entry. It does have a brand new conversion manual ramp. Very easy, I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Very easy to do. It's got a handle on the driver or passenger side. And look there, I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. The ramp is 34 inches wide. It does taper down to about 32 inches there at the base where the ramp sets. It's got 8 tie down points to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Roof rack looks in great shape, or the headliner. Those chairs have about 21 inches of room between them. We can put more narrow chairs in there if you need, or make some flip base seats if you need more room to get up in there. Very clean leather interior. Smells great, looks great, has this very nice fancy console. This is the GT, this is the highest trim package that Dodge has on their minivans. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. It's got the backup camera and the navigation. It's got dual climate control so you can have different temperatures going on in here. Like I mentioned, it's got the rear air. If you decide you just want this to be manual ramping doors, you can flip the on switch here. When you have those on, you can do all the power doors from inside. When it's off, you can slide these shut like regular sliding doors. So say you were going to use this for a taxi service and you didn't want those doors opening up all the time. With the motor, you can make them manual, very easy. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. And so when you've got everybody secure, come on back out, reverse the process. When it's on manual mode, you come up here, swinging that down just like a standard manual door if you like, and it can also of course be electric. Quick walk around to the van. We just put 4 brand new tires on this. Brand new, they don't even have 10 miles on them. They all match. Alloy wheels, tinted windows. It's very clean. I only buy very clean vehicles. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's not far from it. I mean, it's got, maybe few, I'm struggling to find chips in the paint, from rock chips, maybe a little rock chip there, but overall, very nice van. We've had it inspected by 3 of our mechanics. We don't just throw these on the lot. That's the difference between us and a lot of dealers. We inspect these, we put some work into them, we get good pictures. Look at all the pictures we take, look at the videos we make. We are thorough. Everything we do is thorough. I promise you, not all dealers are created equal. Very clean leather interior like I mentioned. It's got the dual power seats. Got that real nice red stitching in there. I think that looks really nice. Like I mentioned, it has the 2 key fobs. Like I mentioned, has the remote start. Hit the button twice. Fires right up. This is nice to have in the wintertime. Even if you have a garage, it's nice to crack that garage door to let all the gas odors out and the exhaust out, and have your car nice and warm even in the garage. We always show you the VIN number. Power seats work just fine. You can see it's got the navigation. Where'd we go? Oh, I turned it off. There we go, nav. It's got the backup. Oh, I gotta shut this door. Put the key in. There we go. Backup camera. Current mile 70,821. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to the engine run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. Very clean, no signs of any damage. It idles smoothly. No signs of an accident, no signs of any water damage or anything like that. And there's a crawl underneath the van as well. Very clean. It's not all rusted out. No signs of any bent metal or anything. No signs of any leaks. This is exactly what you want when looking for a vehicle. This is a 1 owner, no accidents, clean title. I don't deal with junk, and that's the difference between us and a lot of our competition. Is I crawl underneath the vehicles, you see pictures, you see videos of the undercarriage. A lot of our competition will buy these vans from up in New York and Chicago with rusted out chassis or a bunch of issues they don't tell you about. Look how clean that is. So, the number one mistake people make when used car shopping, they assume things. They assume because it looks pretty in pictures or they assume because it had only 70,000 miles on it, or they assume because the salesman was nice to them and yada yada yada. They assume that it's a good vehicle, that it runs and drives good, that it's not going to be all rusted out, and nothing could be further from the truth. If someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a vehicle that you may have never seen in person, tell them to get off their behind, tell them to get out there and make you a video. And if they won't do that, you know, why are you buying from them? What are they trying to sell you, and what are they hiding? I did notice one small, just a scrape there. It's not a crack, so I guess a scrape, you know, maybe a purse or something hit it. So again, I hope you can tell by our vehicles, we're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can. We've tested all the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, air conditioning, heat, power mirror over there. This is not some vehicle that you come look at or that you get shipped out to you and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. And that's not how I do business. So let me get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. The final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on a test drive, so you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, you know, you don't have to assume, you know it runs and drives good, it's highway worthy. The engine is strong, the transmission shifts smoothly. Got up to about 68 miles an hour there. You can see the steering wheel is nice and straight. I've got the cruise control set, as you can see. Drives very nice down the highway, and that's exactly what we're looking for. And I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Be sure to check the competition, see what their rating is. Also, look at our reviews online. Look at affordable mobility solutions on Google. Look at all the nice things people had to say about us. You know, again, compare that to the competition. Looking for a used vehicle is hard enough, and you don't want to deal with shysters. You don't want to deal with people that have constant issues with their customers. Chances are you're going to be one of those customers having constant issues as well. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a nice price online, and then what they don't tell you about is a document fee and a tag fee and administrative fee and freight, and all these fees they just make up to add money onto the price. The price you see on our website is the price to get this to your front door. No hidden fees. I'm going to give it a hard brake at the bottom of the exit here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So again, exactly what we're looking for, exactly what we want. And going back to comparing us to the competition, you know, if someone's going to hide fees from you, if they're going to put one price online and try to put $500, $1,000, $1,500 on the back end just to try and get more money out of you, and if they're hiding money from you, what else are they hiding from you? What else are they not telling you about? We're transparent in how we do business. We're transparent with our videos on what we're selling. We are no nonsense dealership. We're not here to hide anything. And I guarantee you, 99% of the dealers in America are not like that. There's a lot of funny business going on. We're the anti-dealer dealer. So also, I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here crawling on the ground, crawling underneath the van. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. Again, no surprises. And the difference between us and the competition is, if you call and talk to the competition, you're going to get a used car salesman. You know, and they don't care if you get the truth. They don't care if you they get your return business. They're probably going to be working at another dealership in 2 or 3 months. You know, the difference between them and me is I'll be here 5 years from now. I'll be here 10 years from now. I want you to repeat business. I want you telling your neighbors about us. I want you saying good things about us, because it does matter to me. I own this company. This company is like my child. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, call the competition. If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. My name is Jeremiah. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If text messaging is more your thing, give me a text. 316-518-4377. That is the owner's cell phone number, my cell phone number. I want you to call the competition. I want you to ask them. Ask them if they care about customer service enough to give you the owner's cell phone number. Call one of those big companies. Tell them if something goes wrong, you want a direct line to the owner that you can talk to. Let me know how that works out. I'd be interested to see how that goes. Also, we do have financing available. We can send you an application to your email or to your phone, or we can take one over the phone. And if you're ever going to come in, please always give us a call first. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. So please make appointments whenever possible. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.